So question three. Question 3 is the end of our yes nos. Now, on question 3 is what is a common number that I can change both denominators into? What is a common denominator that I can turn both denominators into? And of course, this is a 2 snowman problem. 2 snowmen. All right, so here is our problem. We have 1/3 minus 1/4. Now, our denominators are not the same. So question 1, the answer is already no. My denominators are not the same. They're not common. So I need to go to question 2. Can I change one of my denominators into the other with multiplication? Can I turn a 3 into a 4 using multiplication? Or a 4 into 3 using whole number multiplication? No, I cannot. So I have to go to question 3. What is a common number that I can change both denominators into? All right, so this is where we can also start to think about what numbers can both 3 and 4 both make. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a skip count chart. Here's 3 and 4. Let's skip count. Let's start with the biggest number, 4, 8, 12, 16. So we skip counted by 4s. Let's skip count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. All right. We found a common number that both 3 and 4 can both turn into. All right. So we need to think. First off, we're going to build 2 snowmen, which is 2 sets of parentheses. Remember, if you want to extend the fraction bars out, you can. So now I need to think, how could 3 turn into 12? And since we already skip counted, we know that 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So we're going to put a 4 in the snowman next to 1/3. All right, and now we know that 4 times 1, 2, 3 is 12. So we're going to put a 3 in the snowman next to the 4. Now we're going to change both fractions, not just one, but we're going to change both fractions. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. I'm going to copy down our sign, which this time is subtraction. So let's remember that that's subtraction. So 4/12 minus 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. All right, so 4/12 minus 3/12, same thing. We are only going to subtract our numerator. All right, so 4 minus 3 is 1. And we keep the denominator exactly the same. So we get 1/12. All right, and if you look at that, that is the difference between 1/3 and 1/4. So those people that bought a burger that was a 1/4 pound instead of a 1/3 pound, they missed out on 1/12 pound of burger. It doesn't seem like a lot, but if you're paying for it, you might as well get your full burger. All right, so let me zoom out real quick. Here's some zoom out. All right, so here's the whole notes page. I know this is like the most crowded notes page we have ever had. So much so that it's almost difficult to get the whole thing on there. All right, so that's a lot, but this tells you how to get through addition and subtraction of fractions with both common denominators, one denominator that can turn into the other, or a situation where none of the denominators can turn into the other one, right? So we have a 1 snowman problem, a no snowman problem, and a 2 snowman problem. I know math. So a no snowman problem when our denominators are the same, a 1 snowman problem when we had to change one denominator, and then a 2 snowman problem when we had to change both denominators. But there we go. So there's addition and subtraction of fractions. Y'all are doing great. So just ask yourselves these questions, and then we can add and subtract fractions with common and uncommon denominators. All right, see you next time. Goodbye.